Welcome back to my channel, everyone. My name is Leilani, for those of you who don't know my name. Today we're going to be, on this rainy day, we are going to be sowing some sweet pea plants, and they are my favourite flowers. These seeds have been harvested from my mum and I when my sister and I had a sweet pea teepee. Our sweet pea teepee was up in the garden, up in Mum's flower farm in the garden. I loved it because it had pink, purple and violet flowers. It smelled amazing.
So the first thing you're going to do is take your toilet roll and you're going to pop some compost in it. Then you're going to make a little hole in the top of your compost, and then you're going to put your seed or two inside and then cover it up.
Don't forget to wash your hands after touching compost. Don't forget to give them a water after you planted the seed. In a few days, these seeds will become a little seedling with some green leaves. We pinch off the top of the seedling to encourage a bushier plant. When these are ready to go out into the garden, we are going to plant a sweet pea teepee. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and let me know if you grow any sweet pea teepees